Today, we're taking a closer look at the Yogi at Garden Tool Set, a comprehensive and durable 6-piece collection designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. This set includes a transplanter, large trowel, cultivator, pruning shears, a pair of claw gardening gloves, and a convenient storage tote bag. It's a versatile kit that caters to all your gardening needs. From planting and weeding to pruning and transplanting point, one of the standout features of this garden tool set is its durability and rust resistance. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, these tools are exceptionally strong and durable. The material is not only resistant to rust and corrosion, but also lightweight, which reduces hand fatigue and makes gardening a more pleasant experience. Each tool is equipped with non-slip handles, ensuring a comfortable grip and efficient use. Plus, the handy hanging holes make storage a breeze. The pruning shears included in this set are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they stay sharp longer. They're perfect for cutting plants, flowers, stems, vines, roses, and twigs. The ergonomically designed handle provides comfort and flexibility, making it easy to maneuver. The easy-to-operate locking mechanism keeps the pruning scissors closed when not in use, providing secure storage and added safety that in no more searching through cluttered sheds or garages for your gardening tools. The Yogi at Garden Tool Set comes with a practical carrying tote that keeps all your tools organized in one place. This ensures you have quick access to the right tool when you need it, allowing you to carry everything you need effortlessly for your gardening projects. This thoughtful design promotes a seamless and enjoyable gardening experience. This premium 6-in-1 gardening tool set makes an ideal gift for garden enthusiasts. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any celebration, this garden tool set is sure to be a hit. It's perfect for friends, spouses, parents, and grandparents who love spending time in their garden. The Yogi at Garden Tool Set not only enhances the gardening experience, but also adds a touch of convenience and efficiency. It's undoubtedly one of the best gifts you can give to someone passionate about gardening.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.